Edward Hospital for the appointment Sipho. It's not her appointment day because we missed it, but then we are just going because we were supposed to have gone already. She is fully recovered from her surgery, so we're starting all over again with her normal appointment. So today, what's special about today's appointment is that she just turned 12, so it might be the last time we go to that clinic, which is the POPD clinic, because after 12 years old, I think she has to go to the adult clinic. So but we'll find out today. Next time. It's bittersweet. It's sweet because obviously she's growing. She's been going to that clinic since she was like 2 years old, and I'll try and insert a picture here to see how she looked when she was like 2. And yeah, we've been going to that clinic for over 10 years. We've been going to that clinic, and some nurses, we've known them for like forever. They've changed nurses, changed doctors. It's been like a second home to us. So yeah, I did some thank you cards for the staff, so I'll give them just a thank you because it possibly is the last day that we're gonna be there today. So you get Ntando Mdletshe. Yes, hello. Hi, Bobby. Yeah, you guys, so we'll vlog that today. We'll vlog today's appointment and see how it goes. Alright, we'll see you on the other side. We are driving from Pietermaritzburg to Durban because King Edward Hospital is in Durban. Nice drive. Yeah, but we'll be there just now. Some late because it's not our appointment. So you know, like they would say they will see you later if it's not your appointment day. So we didn't wanna leave early and then sihlale laphayana. Like right now it's like 10:30. Maybe we'll be there, I don't know, having about 11. Alright, busy lunch. Too busy. Hey, same story. Yes. Same story every day explaining. Instead of what's happening, what's up. Thinking of something pagiging clear. What if usithela umuntu la ofayo ngempela? So guys, we always have to explain to security why is that we have someone who is using a wheelchair. If you come this side, ngeke beze bazokubuza ukuthi oh why ungena ngala, bayazibukela nje wena bakuvalele until you go there and explain ukuthi no ufuna ukungena nomuntu osebenzisa wheelchair, and you have to convince them. So that's the negotiation, okay? Every time Sizzler, it's the same thing. Angaze ashona umuntu usachaza ukuthi ayisekho be-COVID kwakusho njalo. Ama-COVID restrictions awasekho manje. We can't do the one thing. Enough, we need right on. Hey, angazi ukuthi ngizema umshintsha lapha phakathi linjani imanzi. Oh, asileke sobona phakathi. Yeah, I'll pack it all. Aye, ishim kamel. khona umoya obandayo. Ilanga lifiki la. Awukwazi uze nathi andisiza la kusise room 50 khona. Hayi kuyagcwala ke laphayana futhi kuyalindwa. Usandla Sipho. Mama. Uthanda usibeka laphayana kanti
ngeke nafaka igeza ngoba
asilinde kufike lapha usandla. So siya POPD sesiyafika in fact, and ubaba Sipho uzokolanda ifile, so he will deal with that queue. Yes, andingibona ngathi ngcono ujike la. Manje laphaya lawa matshe lawa ngiyabotha zoba inkinga. Uzolanda ifile and then bese sifica la. But we are there, at least ilanga ngapha iphumile. Angeke kubande kakhulu. Silinda abantu ngaphandle ukuthi kugcwele. Sanma njani ni mekuthiwe ngena Sanma kugcwele kakhulu. Cindy card phela bengakwazi ukuthakana. Manje leyo role indaba apply ngala. Okay, then. Ngapa ngakona tinda bro ngapha ema-roles afanayo. Bang some pop. Sipho. Siphindelene ekubeni na 10 okungcono. So we can still come here. Ngoba eyama adult should sesiwenza into yokuthi sihlale esibhedlela whole day. But ungahambi ngala. Ngakungcono. Mnandi vele iklinikhi ey'ngane. Noma nayo iney'nkinga zayo kodwa ingcono. Ngaphungula la okuningi kakhulu. Sesiqedile eklinikhi. Now we are in room, room 50, and we were right very Sipho. It's the last day at the children's clinic because now semdala basho kanjani ukuthi usisi omdala fanele aye kubantu abadala, but now say room 50. Room 50 ke ila kuphela khona indaba zani, anything that has to do with amathambo is a room 50. So siyakhona usually kuyagcwala, so hopefully today akugcwele kakhulu, sizosheshe sihambe ngoba eclinic at least sibachamile honest basidlulisa. So now we need to do more charming. Khona sidluliswa kwe queue. Sidluliswa kanjani vele lapha babe? Was it because of iCard? I did thank you card. Ngenza thank you card ngoba it was our last day there to say thank you to the staff, the nurses, other staff members, and also the doctors. So, and then the next thing, what was ngene? before abanye abantu ababelapha. So angazi noma ikhadi did the trick or the wheelchair did the trick, but something did the trick and we ended up in front. So yeah, now we are room 50. I come a favor amaningi abangakwenzela wona room 50 because everybody kunabantu abaphukile abafaka ukhonkolo abakuma wheelchair. I ayikho special ngawe room 50. So I doubt ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi sichame our way in. Nale iphepha elibhale gone for lunch 1:30 to 2:30. I wish ukuthi nathi masithathe lunch umzonke bengahamba kanje kuvala. Hey bo. Hey bo, thina udla ube kungena umuntu ube udla ube ukhuluma nefoni ube udla ube kunjani. Hayi bona nje ilunch nje yaphuma ngahle uyiphumulela. Hey senza mnandi. So we need to book an appointment on the day that they see children, because today was not the day that they see children. But this, we were told this after waiting for like 45 minutes. And then now I'm here where you make an appointment, and when we get here it's written there, babe. It's also Papa Zangala. So I sent the appointment. So must we like Bali when I'm here? Gone for lunch from 1:30 to 2:30, and obviously this is like 1:45. So I have 45 minutes to wait just to make an appointment. I am so tempted to go to Ntando because I don't think that we need to see these doctors right now, but I might need them in the future. So I'm like, if it's doctor one day they'll be like, when you were told to come here and you never came here. You know, sometimes you have to do that because there's nothing wrong with Sipho right now. She's okay, but you know, we're just keeping the relationship so that when we need to come and see these doctors, they can have a record. But when you were supposed to come, you came. When you were supposed to make an appointment, you made an appointment. But we could just go home at this point because this lunch hour thing is just not working for me. Yeah. So we're waiting to make an appointment. So we finally got our appointment for the 19th October. So we are set now, we are done. We are going to head home. Yo, but guys, yes, I think yes, we must do a negotiation with God. He must take all of these men that he has given us, take all of them, like return to sender, and you know, rethink the strategy of giving us the men and give us new stock of men. I am sitting there in the waiting room. So Sipho, they had gone to the car of Babake and Auntie to wait in the car. This guy, I got there and there was just one lady waiting to make an appointment, and I sit next to her. He comes and sits and starts talking to this lady as if he wants to indicate that he was there before me. So when the appointment guy comes back from lunch, from the very long lunch, he says, Sisi, Guys, it takes 2 minutes to make an appointment, so it wouldn't have made a difference but he goes before me or after me. This man and he goes before me. I know God must take them, return to sender. Can we please have new stock? New stock. This one is not working. Sicela abasha. We want the contract to be renewed. New stock of men must come because this one I gonna have defects. I'm a ning defects in this stock. Can we return? A lot of them need to go and be fixed. At least new parts must be put, especially the brain. Ooh, yeah, finally, say hamba man. Yep.